Hello, everyone. How is the weather at your place today?
It is so hot here. I'm dying.
Sammy, he's all right, actually, but it is warm. That's why we decided to make incredible cold Oreo treats.
No, wait. Can you say Oreo treats again?
Okay. Oreo treats!
That's better. That was worthy.
I don't know what that was, but it's time to get to work. So, let's get started. Do you know what this is?
It's the most delicious cream.
Right, Sammy. I'm pouring it into a jar. Now we need the filling. More filling. By the way, be careful using a knife. Ask an adult to help you.
Cookies aren't afraid to ask for help.
I'm not seeing things, right, guys?
What's wrong, huh?
Are you wearing an Oreo cookie costume? You never stop surprising me, Sam. Now we need to shake our yummy treat well.
Shake, 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 do. Shake, 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 do. Shake the cookie. Shake the cookie, yeah.
You bring so much fun, Sammy. You can start dancing all of a sudden. And I'm pouring the cream over the cookie pieces using the cookie package for it.
Do you think I could be a DJ?
Huh, I can easily imagine that.
Yo, guys, DJ time is here. Are you ready to dance all night long? Subscribe to our channel if you are.
Cool, Sammy. Everything's ready for freezing.
Wait, do we need to wait?
I'm afraid so, Sammy. All the yummiest things need time and effort.
I disagree. Some treats take mere minutes. You remember our banana experiment?
Huh, in the video Banana vs. Slime? You're right, those were quite delicious. But that was an exception. I prefer the treats that take a lot of time to prepare. Wait, I found something.
What is it?
Look, Sammy, I found some ice cream.
Yay! Now we can make a really fast, yummy treat to see if I'm right.
Fast, yummy treat. Okay, let's try it and compare the two treats then. Right, we decided to make another Oreo treat. This one will be quicker to prepare.
A very quick version.
I'm still not sure which one will be more delicious.
My fast idea, though.
We'll ask our viewers to decide when both treats are ready.
Great idea, Sue.
By the way, to make these circles out of ice cream, you'll need any round container, but it should be rather small. Now, we need to place our ice cream onto a cookie. Pop, it worked! It's important to keep the balance. Great, almost ready.
Take it, Sue.
Thank you, Sammy, just in time. There we go. Look how beautiful it is.
Wow, looks yummy.
I think we need to make some more.
There can't be too many Oreo popsicles.
He's doing it again, guys.
Wow, I'm the best Oreo dancer in the world.
I have no doubts. Meanwhile, one more treat on a stick is ready. All right, go to your friends.
They're so pretty. Wait, where are you taking them?
I'm putting them in the freezer so they can set a bit.
Agreed, but just a bit.
Deal. Meanwhile, let's see how our complicated treat is doing. Let's have a look. Voila! This we don't need anymore. Hey, Sammy, we need more popsicle sticks.
Sticks, lots of sticks. Wait, so I'm coming. Whoa, no, what have I done?
Sammy, ice cream won't wait forever.
The job is becoming too stressful for me.
Oh, come on, Sammy, don't complain. Let's insert the sticks into the ice cream carefully.
Oh, no one appreciates the efforts of a lonely slime, and I try so hard.
You can keep complaining, or you can help me dip the ice cream into the chocolate.
On my way, Sue.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Wow, this is my favorite moment, Susie.
There. Yummy. Now we need to let these guys cool down in the freezer while we're working with milk chocolate. Sammy, are you ready? Sammy, what's going on?
Hi, chocolate. Smells so good that Sorry, Sue.
It's okay, Sammy. I have more chocolate. We can still finish these treats.
Really?
Of course.
Yay, so let's continue.
Actually, I expected that you wouldn't be able to resist chocolate.
Am I I really becoming predictable?
Maybe a little.
Okay, what's next?
And now comes my favorite part, decoration.
Yes, yes, yes. We need to wait an eternity more.
Don't start, Sammy.
Just admit that tasty things don't have to take an eternity to cook.
It depends. I like my decorations. How can you not like it?
I must say, it looks quite yummy.
There, the final touch. And done. Right, guys, we tried really hard, and now you can see the result. Help us decide whose version is tastier, Sam's easy and quick to make treat,
Or Sue's one, complicated and time-consuming. Oh, in the comments, so later I read that I won.
I didn't even notice that we prepared so many things during our dispute. We could have an ice cream party.
An ice cream party! I love those parties, but maybe another time.
Why?
'Cause this time I'm gonna eat everything myself!
Sorry, guys, I'm a bit embarrassed because of Sam. Actually, he'd love to share with you.
No.
Oh, Sammy!
Hey, yo, guys, it's DJ Slime again! Eat ice cream in moderation, my people. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel!
Bye, guys. Looking forward to talking to you soon.
A DJ Slime, Slime, Slime!